Okay, so now I'm gonna do my my Dollar Tree Light and Sound Christmas collection. I did do the you remember I did the Halloween ones. Now I'm doing the Christmas ones. So yeah, hang on. You're just sitting in an ornament box. You guys are getting put away for Christmas. Sorry, gotta test something out. Alright. You guys are getting put away for Christmas. So yeah. I have my AC on right now. Alright. Now these are all of them. I know all the 2018 ones though. So yeah, just like with the Message Fan Dog. So yeah. Now I do have all of them. This is the 2017 Santa and Snowman. This is the 2019 Santa and Snowman. Now, first I'm going to start off is my 2017 Santa. Now, I got some sad news. He literally stopped working, so apparently so I got some bad news about my 2017 Santa. He doesn't work anymore. He did work, but now he doesn't. He literally broke last year, and I was trying to put my Christmas stuff up, but he literally broke, so it's sad, but I'll try to fix it. See, it's not working. So just got to move on to this one. Alright, here's the 2017 Santa. I mean, Snowman, so yeah. There he is. I don't know if you had the Christmas ones, but hopefully you do, so yeah. Here's a Snowman. What the heck? There we go. Just sings a little song of just sings a little bit of Jingle Bells. So yeah. Okay, here's the 2019 Santa. Now what he says the same thing as that one, but he's broken. Here's the 2019 Santa. What the heck? It looks so cool in the dark, though. That's what he's supposed to say, but he's broken. My first 2017 one. In a happy new year. Alright. Now here's the 2019 Snowman. Now I like mine because it's low pitch. So yeah, my 2019 went low pitch. So yeah. For once in my life I have something that's low pitch. So yeah. This one's high pitch. So yeah. I guess I'll let you listen to them. This one's high pitch. Okay. Now listen to my 2019 one. Sounds really cool when it's this pitch. Hey, I'm gonna be at Home Depot. Did you know that? I'm gonna be at Home Depot too. Did you know that? The summer video of them's out now. Oh gosh. I'm gonna do summer videos on these too. I really love the pitch on this one. It's low pitch, so yeah. Guess we'll get all of them going like in the other video, so yeah, but not that one because he's broken. I really love the pitch on my 2018 one. he's broken. What the? Oh. So yeah, that was the Dollar Tree Light and Sound Christmas collection I have. I don't have every single one of the Christmas ones, but I do for the Halloween ones. Well, not the 2020 ones yet, but I will get those. So yeah. I love this. I was gonna play. You know, I was gonna play him anyway again. Just like that. Yeah, this one's high pitch. Oh God! What is this world coming to? Oh God! I guess I'll play the snowman again since I love the pitch on this one. Ah! Oh, so yeah, that was my Dollar Tree Light and Sound Christmas collection. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and buy. I really think so. And I have a question. Which one is better, the Thriller one or this one? I like this one better. That one should sing like another song like instead of Thriller. So yeah, bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye. You even broken.